drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Match number 34 gets rolling here on Curie. We got the 1-2-3 punch to start us off on both alliances. Now how will we differentiate? Maybe we won't. It's just a mirror image of Algae with slightly different results as the Blue Alliance 870 machine. Team Rice once again demonstrates they know how to get that autonomous Algae going. Second one falls a little bit short, but they'll still have a 4-point lead coming out of Auto, 48-44. And onwards will continue. There's Iron Pulse from Shanghai trying to process some Algae through the field wall. Bounces right back at them, but they will go dislodge more Algae, focusing on freeing up space for their alliance partners to score Coral rather than focusing on their own rebound. Valuable cooperative strategy here. See how it pays off for them here. Blue Alliance, 2 pieces of Algae hitting the barge net at basically the same time. One comes from the human player of Team Rice. The other comes from the robot of Team Rice, scoring a layup, contributing to the total of 6 Algae they have scored so far. Minute and a half to play, anybody's game. Just 1 Algae, 4 points, separates your 2 alliances. Speaking of Algae, there goes yet another one from the Red Alliance side. That was a robot layup. And now the human player is going to join in on some of this as well as Blue starts processing Algae through the field wall to try to accumulate the cooperation bonus, which is a tiebreaker on the leaderboard 1. And helps ease that ranking point on the Coral side for second. Tie game at 131 for a moment there, and now the scores dislodge, and then they rejoin at 139, and then they dislodge again. It's the back and forth as we begin populating the lower levels of the Alliance Reefs. Red Alliance, level 3, 2 posts shy of complete. One of those might get finished up here by Green Hills Lawnmowers, driving the robot called, and I quote, Larry Senior, Junior, 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 Junior. I would love to know that story, but I'd also love to know whether this is going to continue to be a 4-point swing in the match score. Blue Alliance was in the lead. Now Red ties it back up as we just continue to swing punches here as the Coral goes on to the respective reefs. Some of it falls into the troughs, should at least provide a tiebreaker from these even numbers, but up we'll go for our climbs at the end of the match. 1, 2, 3 Red robots parked in the barge zone, none of them fully airborne yet. Plausible that the Metal Moose has changed that as they swing around. 3 seconds for the Blue Alliance to have an answer. 1 bot in the air, 2 bot in the air. I think that's going to be it for match number 34. Blue Alliance victory. Your final score, 214 Blue, 197 Red. That'll be a 5 RP match there on Blue, all but the Coral RP. 197 points there on